Hey there everyone, I'm Helen. I'm the national artist for Sephora collection, and today's trend to try is all about double winged eyeliner. So this is a super simple look. You truly need like 3 color products, and some of them you already are going to have at home. So black liquid liner, black mascara, and then some kind of fun pop eyeliner that's really going to give you that double liner look. To kick off the look, I'm going to use the Sephora Collection Retractable Waterproof Eyeliner in silver. What I like about these eyeliners is that they're really soft and it's very easy to apply, like a pretty thick line. To start out, you can go as thick as you want. Start on the inner corner and go all the way across. It's okay to go a little bit above because this is going to be the top liner, and then we're going to put on the bottom color. And you can see it can get a little bit rounded because it's a pencil, but that's okay. We can refine it at the end. So once you have the basic shape, you can just go ahead and make it a little bit thicker because you want to be able to see that it's going to be a double line once you get it on. So it's going to be about 1/4 of your eyelid, but you want to make sure it's still thin on the inside because you don't want it to get like too thick there or too thick on the end. So really you want to concentrate the thickness just to the center. I'm just going back over with this liner on this side. And same thing, you could be a little messy about it. You don't even have to get it down to the lash line on this liner because you're not gonna need it there anyway. You're just covering it up essentially once you do the second line. So to make this a double liner, I obviously need another color. So I'm going to use a black liquid liner. I'm using the Sephora Collection Hotline Brush Tip Liquid Liner. I love this because it is a really like fine brush, so it's very easy to apply and create a double liner. So the biggest thing with using liquid liner is I like to always start in the center, and it just gives you an idea of like how the ink is flowing. If it's getting too thick, it's best if it's thickest in the center anyway. So it just gives you an idea of like how the liner's flowing through the pen. And that really goes for any liquid liner. And again, I do it thinnest on the inside and then thicker as I go out. But I like to make sure I'm getting like right up against that lash line. And I'll probably end up covering most of that silver thicker edge. Another really cool trick to know about liquid eyeliner is that it actually matters how you store your liquid eyeliner. You should always try to store it like upside down or flat and never up because it just makes it so it's hard for the ink to flow back through. Okay, so now I'll go in and to the other side. And again, starting in the center, getting as close as you can to the lash line, and then making it thicker as you go. It's always better to start thin and then go thicker. It just makes it a lot easier. And it's totally fine if you mess up a little bit because I'll show you how to refine it after. And I feel like you're always gonna be stronger on one side than the other. It's liquid liner, it's hard to do. That looks pretty good. I can see that it's like a little lumpier on this side, but I'll show you how to perfect it. Now is the point where you want to refine your liner. So sometimes this means that maybe you need to add a little bit more of the top color because you didn't go thick enough. You can totally just add a little on the top. I really prefer to use the number 22 brush when I'm doing any kind of refining of the look. So whether it's removing some of the liner or adding some, the number 22 brush is the way to go. I notice that my liner has like a little bit of like a wave to it. It's not as smooth as it needs to be on this side. And then this one looks pretty good. It's really sharp on the edge there, and I really like that, but I can see some of the silver peeking through underneath. So I'm just gonna remove a little here and remove a little here. I did it thick enough all the way across that I don't really feel that I need to add. But let's say if you put like a little bit of a black dot because you slipped when you were doing your eyeliner, you can absolutely just use the number 22 and like take a little bit of the liner and just touch it up on the top to smudge it out. So because I'm using a waterproof eyeliner and it's a liquid, I really like to use the waterproof eye makeup remover. And just make sure you activate it by shaking it up and put a tiny bit on the brush, and I usually just remove any excess and just like put the excess on my hand. And then I'm going to remove this bottom section and maybe a little bit of that tail because it's a little long. And then on this side, same thing, just to smooth it out underneath. This is also a great way to create that like faded effect with your eyeliner if that's what you're going for. That looks pretty good. To finish up this look, I'm going to use the Sephora Collection Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. I just really love this mascara. It's my favorite. It has gives you a lot of big volume, as it says. So that's why I'm choosing it. If you like more of a defining mascara, then go for the Lash Craft Defining Mascara. For this, I've already curled my lashes, so you could really just dive right in and, wiggle and pull through so that you have defined ends so that it doesn't end up looking, spidery at all. You want to put most of it at the base of your lash. And it just enhances the liner too. It makes your lashes look a lot thicker. And then I like to let this side dry and do this side before I do the bottom. The one thing I've learned during quarantine is how to keep my mouth closed when I do my eyeliner. I mean mascara. And now I'm going in on the bottom lashes. And if you go really thick on your bottom lashes, you could have a super mod look. It would be really cute. And that is it for the final step. Y'all can see that it was super simple to do. You truly just need 3 products, and I'm just gonna go take a million selfies of it now. See you later.